Okay, we're ready to go. Here is our CP Physics Digital Portfolio Part 2 template. And what I'd like you to do once you click on that link is to make a copy. So let's make a copy of the entire presentation. Okay. So that is working. That just created a copy. So notice it says now copy of, and that will be in your Drive account. So if I go into Drive, I just want to select your past digital portfolio. So here's the past one that I've been working on, right? And there's motion in 1D, velocity, acceleration, so all those slides. Now what we want to do is just add on, add those part 2 slides into this presentation. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to click on the last, that velocity time graph slide. I'm going to leave that open right there. And I'm going to go to File, Import Slides. And here's the copy of that we just made. So we're going to click on that. And it's working. And we need to see it says no slides selected. So I need to make sure I click on all of these for part 2. So 7 slides there. I'm going to click on Import Slides. And now you can see that it added those slides right after my velocity time graphs. So now here's part 2, and there's all my other slides in here. And again, the resources stays as the last slide. Obviously, keep updating that with any new information you put for free fall and projectiles, etc. So if you notice, if I start at the beginning, hey, here's my first title page, here's part 1, and I did all those other slides, velocity, acceleration, position time graphs, velocity time graphs, and now part 2. So what you want to start in on is that here's the learning standards, just to remind us what we learned this term, the second half of the term. And then free fall gave you a blank slate. So make sure you read the speaker notes here. If I drag this up for a minute, come on, Will T. There you go. Again, that tells you what goes on this slide, and you can add in your audio, video, images, etc. And same thing for projectiles. And our mathematical example of a horizontally launched projectile from our PhET simulation and activity 4. First and third laws applied to your activity or sport. And then third law is about, second law about skydiving. So I did title all of these for you this time around. So that way you know exactly what each slide is going to be, and you can just fill in your work on those slides. All right, thank you, and good luck, everybody.